Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Golden Bulls Gold EA for MT4, an expert advisor available on the MQL5 Marketplace that is primarily focused on trading XAUUSD. Starting with the marketplace page, we can see that this EA was developed by our main Hashmat and is currently listed at the price of 15,000 US dollars. The version displayed is 1.1, which was updated on September 13th, 2022. And the product includes 10 activations. Looking through the description, the developer places a strong emphasis on backtesting conditions, specifically recommending very low spreads for gold, ideally between 5 and 13 points. There is also a note encouraging users to download the provided set files before running any backtests, because the developer states that the default settings are not intended for testing purposes. Now, the primary recommended trading setup shown here is XAUUSD on the M1 time frame. The page also mentions a minimum deposit requirement ranging from $200 to 300 US dollars. All right, we can see here minimum capital $200, and then here we see minimum deposit as $300. So, well, perhaps depending on the section being referenced. Now, moving into the features section, the developer states that the EA does not use martingale and does not use grid trading. Okay. Another notable point is that positions operate with a stop loss, while exits are managed through what the developer describes as a smart trailing mechanism rather than a fixed take profit target. The product description also mentions that trades are typically closed in less than 1 minute. In addition, the EA is described as having multi-currency capability and the ability to work across major currency pairs, although XAUUSD remains the primary focus highlighted throughout the product page. Now, looking at the operational requirements, the developer recommends using an ECN account with low spreads. The EA is stated to work with all brokers, and position sizing can be adjusted according to the user's risk preference through the lot size settings. Now, let us transition into the back testing section and examine the historical testing performance. Whenever I review historical results, I like to keep in mind that backtests are useful for understanding how an EA behaved under past market conditions, but they should never be viewed as a guarantee of future performance. I'd also recommend running longer term testing yourself so you can get a broader understanding of how the EA responds to different market environments. All right. Now, reviewing this particular report that we have here, okay, this is actually not clear, but I can see that total net profit was, I think, over $1,600, and the balance equity curve was quite stagnant for a while, or sideways, before it started growing at some point, and it remained steady since then. Let's just head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how the EA performed over the past 3 months. We're testing the Golden Bulls Gold on XAUUSD on the M1 time frame as recommended, and we are using the every tick modeling, testing over the past 3 months in 2026. Looking at the reports, I can see that initial deposit is $50,000, but there was no total net, there was no trade recorded. Coming to the journal here, I can see there seems to be no error message, but I'm seeing here enable news false, 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 right? And let's just go turn on the visuals and let us see Let us get to the export properties and enable. I'm trying to see if I'm going to see an enable news here. Okay. So I'm just trying to know if there was a particular reason why no trade was recorded, even though I didn't exactly see an error message per se, because that enable news false. If that is the case, then it's not exactly an error message. Let's turn on the visuals and let's just see how the EA performs. So reviewing historical chart activity, we'll be expecting the behavior to appear consistent with the developer's description. Since positions are managed using stop loss protection and a trailing based exit approach, the historical trades, would provide insight into how the EA attempted to capture short-term market movement while managing risk through its trade management system. The developer also states that trades are generally closed very quickly, often within less than a minute, which is something that can be observed and evaluated further through the historical trade records and chart activity shown during testing. Now, when analyzing the historical testing performance, it is important to consider factors beyond profitability alone. Results can vary depending on spread conditions, broker execution quality, slippage, lot sizing, risk settings, market volatility, and user optimization choices. Since low spreads are specifically emphasized by the developer, testing conditions may have a meaningful impact on the overall outcome. But overall, Golden Bull's Gold EA presents itself as a gold focused automated trading system with stop loss protection, trailing based trade management, and a non martingale, non grid approach, according to the developer's description. Now, as always, I would strongly encourage conducting your own testing and optimization before considering any live trading application. If you are really interested in this expert advice, so you would want to test it over a longer period of time, take your time, test the EA, and if you like the results that you see, you can consider if you want to make the necessary financial commitment or not. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content like this. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.